Welcome to the new episode of PCS Practical. In this session, I am going to discuss about the basics of Microsoft Excel. So you can see on my screen, this is the first view after selecting the Microsoft Excel, right? I have the version 2013 in my laptop. The different versions are available. So this is also one of the software from the Microsoft Office package, and it is also the most powerful tool, right? This is the icon and the software, right, which is available in my computer. So you just have to search it and double click on it, so you can open this software, right? This is the icon of the Excel, right? So basically Excel is used for the calculation purpose, right? So in, let's say, Word, we can create a document. In PowerPoint, we can create slides, I mean presentation. In Excel, you can create the Excel book, right? So we called as a Excel book, or in one book we have the multiple sheets. So sheets are like different pages, right? So here you can find the basic rows and columns, kind of the table view, right? So in specific cell, right? So I'll just tell you what is called cell and all. So before come to that cell, rows and columns or the tables, I'll just give you the basic idea about the Excel. So the Excel extension, the file extension is dot xls, right? And that is the basic version, I mean for 2003, 5 and all, right? The higher version, the file extension is dot xl xsls. See this, I'll write dot xsls, right? So similarly, if you have a doc file, I mean the Word file, so the extension is doc x, sorry, not s, here x. And if it is ppt, so it is dot pptx, right? So this is the Excel file extension, this is Word file extension, and this is PowerPoint file extension. So in Excel we have the multiple sheets, right? So similar like a 1 page, 2 page, 3 page and all. Yeah. So like this you can create a sheet. So basically Excel is used for the basic not the basic but the advanced calculations, many formulas we have. So you can uh, create your data, arrange your data as per the table, since the Excel structure provides you the table format, right? So in table you will have the combination of rows and columns, right? So that is the table, right? So it is like a table view, right? And this a b c d e f, these all are the column, and this is in number of the column. See, I'll show you. And we have the rows, right? So I'll press control and down key. So this is the last row which is provided by the Excel, and I'll show you the last column by pressing Control and right arrow key. So XFD is the last column, right? So many cells you can say here, right? So let's say we have A, B, C, D, so it is up to Z, and after Z you will have, I'll show you, A column, C, then AB, AC, AD, and so on. So it is up to XFD, right? So now each row and each column is intersect by cell, right? So if I'll select this cell, right, so this cell address is called A1 cell. If I'll select this, I'll click here, so this is C6 cell. So this is C column and 6th row. This is D6, this is D5, this is D7 column, sorry, cell, right? So cell is the intersection of row and column, right? So horizontal part is row, vertical is column, remember, right? So in Excel you can write the text, number, so many things. It is very very useful tool, right? You can prepare your mark sheet, your data, your table, you can say, you can create the bills, I mean, for any shop, right? So you can also manage the billing and all in this. Many accounting purpose formulas you can you can perform through the Excel. So step by step I'll show you. It is a very very powerful tool. In currently in the market, I mean, if you are non-graduate but still you can, if you know Excel very well, you can start earning, right? It's like from 10,000 up to 1 lakh, because if you are too good in Excel and you know the data formations and the big data analysis, right? I mean, for that you have the different softwares, right? But still other many things you can also done through the uh, Excel, right? So you can also earn well through this software, right? So many become graduate people knows Excel very well and they earn good money through this software, but you just have to learn this software, right? So many formulas available, right, for the calculation purpose, and many functionalities are available. You can filter out your data, you can allow, I mean, you can apply the validations and conditional formattings and filtering, and subtotal, goal seek scenarios. So many functionalities are there. It's a very powerful tool. So that is the basic information about the Excel. So I'll show you, let's say, the basic demo. Let's say the name of the student, and if you want to move to the next cell, right, in here you can't write uh, everything in one line, right? You have to write in one cell, so you have to arrange your data as per the cell. So the name cell, and then let's say the marks cell. So I'll write here Mahesh, and the marks of the Mahesh is 72. Then Suresh 80, Kavya 46, and if you want you can add all the marks. You can find the average marks, you can find the percentage, you can count the students, you can apply the if conditions, I mean who fails or not, if the values or the marks are lesser than this, right, which is the highest value, which is the smallest value, maximum, minimum, count, average, if, right, so many functions are there. So in my next video I'll discuss step by step all the functions. So here I'm going to apply the sum formula, so I'll discuss afterwards that is also how to find that. Since I have remembered the format, so I'll just write equals to sum, and you just have to select the cells, close the bracket and press enter. So this is the total marks, right? So we have also here the home tab, so if you want you can arrange it well, you can apply border and all, right, apply the formatting, highlight, bold, increase, right, you can change the size of the cell or the column, right. So you just have to move your mouse over to this line, right, the section where two columns are separated. So your mouse pointer, you can see it's changed, right, and you just have to use drag and drop option, right, you just have to drag the line to the right hand side, so you can increase the size of your column. So that's it for today. We'll meet soon in the next session. Thank you.